Hello, friends. Hope you all are fine. Stay safe and healthy. Today, we are going to discuss about 26 April importance in history. Do you know? No? Okay. Today, we are going to discuss and come to know about the importance of 26 April in our life. Friends, each year on 26 April, the World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO celebrates World Intellectual Property Day to discuss the role that intellectual property IP rights play in encouraging innovation and creativity. World IP Day 2021 highlights the key role IP rights play in helping SMEs build stronger, more competitive businesses under the theme Taking Your Ideas to the Market. World Intellectual Property Day is observed annually on 26th April. The event was established by the World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO in 2000 to raise awareness of how patents, copyrights, trademarks, and designs impact on daily life, and to celebrate creativity and the contribution made by creators and innovators to the development of societies across the globe. 26 April was chosen as the date for World Intellectual Property Day because it coincides the date on which the convention establishing the World Intellectual Property Organization entered into force in 1970. The event has been criticized by a number of activists and scholars as one-sided propaganda in favor of traditional copyright, ignoring alternatives related to copyleft and the free culture movement. Friends, now come to know about history. Following a statement made at the Assembly of the Member States of the World Intellectual Property Organization in September 1998, the Director General of the National Algerian Institute for Industrial Property proposed on 7 April 1999 the institutionalization of an International Day for Intellectual Property with the aim of a framework for broader mobilization and awareness, access to the promotional aspect of innovation and the achievements of promoters of intellectual property throughout the world. On 9 August 1999, the Chinese delegation to the WIPO proposed the adoption of the World Intellectual Property Day. In order to further promote the awareness of intellectual property protection, expand the influence of intellectual property protection across the world, urge countries to publicize and popularize intellectual property protection laws and regulations, enhance the public legal awareness of intellectual property rights, encourage inventions, innovation activities in various countries, and strengthen international exchange in the intellectual property field. In October 1999, the General Assembly of the World Intellectual Property Organization approved the idea of declaring the particular day as a World Intellectual Property Day. In an exhibition showing the intellectual property behind Steve Jobs' innovations, opened to the public at WIPO on 30th March 2021 and ran through World Intellectual Property Day on 26 April 2021. The exhibition tied in with 2012's World Intellectual Property Day theme, Visionary Innovators. Every year, a message or a theme is associated with the event. And the theme of April 26, 2021 is very clear, taking your ideas to market. It means it's a shine a light on the critical role of small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs in the economy, and how they can use intellectual property rights to build stronger, more competitive and resilient businesses. World Intellectual Property Day is a great opportunity to get people interested in issues relating to intellectual property. While WIPO promotes a general theme each year, it is up to you to decide how best to use the event to make a splash or to meet your organization's on public awareness raising goal. So guys, today we come to know about the World Intellectual Property Day and we come to know about the theme of 2021. Next time we will come with new idea. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.